hung from his branch above the sandy shore. The evening was quiet and cool. And then he heard them. The softest pitter-patter of tiny feet on smooth sand. Sandpipers, small shore birds no bigger than his paw, were scurrying along the water's edge, their little legs moving so fast, much faster than Barnaby ever moved. But even they were slowing down now. The sun had dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in soft purples and blues, and the sandpipers were getting ready for bed. Just like Barnaby, the tiny birds began to move more slowly, their frantic running becoming a gentle walk, their peeping calls growing softer and fewer. One by one, they stopped to rest. Barnaby watched as one sandpiper tucked its head beneath its wing. Then another found a soft patch of beach grass, and another settled into the warm sand. Each bird finding its own cozy spot. He felt his own eyelids growing heavy. Watching the little birds settle down made him want to settle down too. His small body relaxed a little more. His breathing slowed to match theirs. The sandpipers had all found their places now, nestled deep in the beach grass that swayed gently in the evening breeze. Their tiny bodies hidden among the soft green blades. Only the faintest rise and fall showed they were there. Barnaby could barely see them anymore. Just small shapes in the grass, quiet and still and safe. The moonlight touched the tips of the grass blades, turning them silver. He let out a slow breath, his fingers uncurling just a little on the branch. The sight of all those sleeping birds was the most peaceful thing he had ever seen. Now the shore was silent. Even the waves seemed to whisper. The sandpipers were all asleep in their grass beds, their tiny chests rising and falling together. A field of sleeping birds under the moonlight. Barnaby felt a deep calm wash over him, the same calm that had settled over the sandpipers. His limbs felt warm and heavy. His eyes wanted to close, and he let them. The beach grass swayed, the sand held the birds, and Barnaby held onto his branch. All of them resting together under the same soft night sky. Barnaby slept, curled on his branch above the sleeping shore. Below him, the sandpipers dreamed in the grass. Tiny birds with tiny dreams of running on smooth sand. The moon rose higher, casting silver light on the beach grass and the sloth and the quiet water. Everything was still. Everything was calm. Everything was asleep. Barnaby's breathing was so soft now, barely there at all, in and out. The sandpipers breathing with him, the grass swaying with him, the whole coast breathing together into the night.